Edge AI Starter Kits. Accelerate your AI at the edge. Hello everyone, welcome to Product Insight. I'm Mike. Today we're introducing Lanner's Edge AI Starter Kits built to simplify and speed up your Edge AI deployment. These kits brings together Lanner's AI optimized edge systems, the desktop, workstation, and server with pre-validated accelerators and software stacks. So the system integrators can move from evaluation to deployment with much less effort. So let's start with the enterprise AI computer. The EAI i500 supports a wide range of M.2 AI modules. For example, the MemoryX MX3 MPU delivers up to 24 teraflops and support more than 440 pre-trained models. This enterprise AI computer also supports the DeepX DXM1 via the M.2 and then up to 25 teraflops of performance with a unified SDK that simplifies deployment for real-time video analytics in a smart city. The EAI i730 supports two 300-watt PCIe GPU cards and is certified with the NVIDIA RTX Pro 4500 Blackwell GPU. Deliver up to 600 AI teraflops while fully supporting the NVIDIA AI software for proprietary AI applications. Meanwhile, the EAI i732 supports 150-watt accelerator card such as the Qualcomm Cloud AI 100 Ultra, delivering over 800 TOPS of AI performance for inferencing and simulation workloads. For larger scale deployments, the ECA 6050 Edge AI server support up to 8 PCIe GPU cards in a single chassis, with support for multiple GPU brands, including the Intel Arc Pro V60, NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell, and the NVIDIA L4. This flexibility enables organizations to develop and scale multimodal AI and RAG applications for on-premises LM deployments. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Insight. If you have any questions about Lanner's Edge AI Starter Kits, please contact us. See you next time. This flexibility enables up to 21